Asking a recently married couple, when are you having a baby? Asking a divorced sister, why did you get divorced? Asking an unmarried sister, when are you getting married? Asking a brother, where did you get the money to buy your car? Before asking such questions about people's personal lives, remember the Prophet ﷺ said, part of a person's being a good Muslim is his leaving alone that which does not concern him. Hassan bin Sinan, a pious predecessor, once saw a house he had never seen. He asked a simple question, which was, when was this house built? But he straightway realized that he had asked something which does not concern him, and as a punishment to his nafs, he fasted for a whole year. He asked a simple question and regretted it. This shows the true character of a Muslim. He does not ask nosy questions and minds his own business.